In today's video, I'm cleaning out the barn, I'm making a DIY horse skip, and solo chores in the rain. Let's see how today actually goes. Good morning, girls. Oh, Victoria. I left Victoria's fly mask on last night because the flies were absolutely annihilating her, and if you look at that, she tried to take it off. She's only got one ear in, one ear out, and it's all twisted. You are such a silly girl, Victoria. Yeah, we want to keep those flies off your eyes. Yeah, sweet girl. I know. I did it for your own good. I just didn't want you to have pink eye in the morning. Good girl. So today we have a 90% chance of rain. And there, I figured I better take advantage of the fact that we'll have rain. And I have a lot of stuff to do in this barn. So first thing I'm going to do is clean out this stall. I'm taking out all the shavings and I'm going to de-cobweb the place as best as I can because we're going to be closing up the barn basically for the summertime, because this barn gets as hot as a parked car in the middle of the summer in Florida. So we have no cross ventilation in here other than up by the roof, where, if you all know, heat rises and it just gets so hot. But anyway, I'm gonna try to clean it up as best as I can to give myself something to do that I need to get done. But basically, we're gonna keep the horses out of here come summertime, which will also be nice. I won't have to clean the stall, which they only come in here and use it like a big litter box and then walk out. It would be nice to not have to add a ton of shavings and just, it's a ton of labor. So I'm gonna also move the stall mats, which each of them weigh 100 pounds. So it's gonna be a fun day here living on the farm, just doing chores that need to get done. Mike is out of town this weekend, so I don't have his help, which he's such a huge help. The horses clearly were my thing. I mean, he goes along with it, but even though he does claim Honeybee as his horse, the horses are basically my deal, my responsibility, and he's just along for the ride. So I have to make sure that all the basic things that need to get taken care of are done. So I will put you on fast forward because this is probably going to take me the entire day. So
I'm pretty beat. I've been at this for a couple of hours now. When we put these stall mats down, they were snug down the center, but there was a 1 foot gap along that side of the railing. And clearly with the horses moving around and whatnot, the things have shifted. And of course there is fun time urine underneath these stall mats. So I'm gonna have to pull them all out and sanitize the floor, sanitize the mats, and then basically we are gonna close this thing up until probably fall when it cools off, because again, this thing gets so hot. So it is getting ready to absolutely storm, and we really need the rain. So I've got hay out for the girls in their run-in shed, and I'm going inside. Since it's raining out, I figured I'd take the opportunity to do a craft for a horsey friend of mine who was kind enough to come and hold the horses for me during the farrier visit. I found this great pattern, and I'm going to try to copy it onto a bag that I bought from Hobby Lobby. So I've given the paint an hour to dry, and now I'm going to start pulling off the tape and see what we end up with. So from what I can tell, it has bled in a few spots, but hopefully it'll give it some character. Gotta put the phone down.
while I wait for that canvas bag to dry, I'm gonna go out and take off the horses' fly masks. And this is usually our favorite time of the evening, where we get to brush the horses down, check their hooves, make sure everything's good before we close up the barn for the evening. So today has been really rainy, and it actually brought on a cold front. It's in the low 60s right now, actually a little chilly because it's so damp. But yeah, I hope you enjoy watching us, or watching me. Mike's still out of town. And yeah, get to brush the horses. If you see this, I'm just setting up the camera now, and I had a little visitor behind me show up. So everybody knows what time it is. They like to get their special treatment, some nice brushing and just some extra attention. And I've got Red Sox over here too. It rained pretty hard today, and we've got a muddy mess. So my original plan was to drag those stall mats out here and hose them down real good and sanitize the concrete floor, but it'll have to wait until tomorrow, assuming it's not going to rain. So that was a big job, wasn't it, Red Sox? That was a big job. Yes, it was. You're so funny. She's kind of annoyed. She likes to go in there and, do her business and then just walk right back out. I call it their giant litter box. She's like, where'd my shavings go? Piper is a persistent pup. Nice. It feels so nice. What a nice evening. What a nice evening, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, I know you love that spot. Oh, I know that's a good spot. Is that the good spot? Oh, that's a good spot. Am I getting it? Look at her mouth. Am I getting it? Oh, I think that's a good spot. Me neither. Good girl, Victoria. It feels so good, Victoria. Huh? Look at that itchy spot. Look at that itchy spot. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, you look like you rolled in some mud over on this side. Girl, were you rolling in the mud? That's a good girl. That is a good girl, Victoria. You stand so well for me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I know that's the time you were waiting for. Oh, I know that feels so good. That feels so good. Yeah, I know. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. See this?
Good girl. Yeah. I see you giving me the side eye. Oh, yeah. Good girl. You did a good girl. Yeah. Oh, sweet girl. Good girl. Oh, that is cool. Yeah. Good girl. Oh, you like that. Oh, I know you like that. Oh, that feels so good. That feels so good. Oh, that feels so good. Okay, let's get the other side. Let's get your other side. Let me hang this up. Okay. Let's get this side. Oh, good girl. What a good girl. Oh, that's your favorite. Oh, that feels good. Oh, that feels so good. Looks like somebody tried to take a bite out of your butt. Looks like somebody tried to take a bite out of your butt. Huh? Somebody take a bite out of your butt? Oh, girl. Good girl. Good girl. Pick this up. Nice and soft. Nice and soft. Get the other side. Okay. Good girl. All right. Go pick your hooves in the morning. Good girl. Good girl. That's a good girl. You get a good girl treat? Gentle. What a good gentle girl. That was nice and gentle. Red Sox has some issues with taking feed from somebody's hand. She wants to put your entire hand in her mouth. So I'm trying to teach her gentle. I come up to her with the fist, and then she kind of gnaws on my fist a little bit, and then I give her my open hand, and she seems to know that she has to take it softly. So she's doing really good. Who pooped in here? See, I told you, this is just their giant litter box. Now we have sweet honeybee. Yeah, she's such a sweet girl. She's the sweetest girl. Yeah, you're the sweetest girl. Yeah, yeah. You're a sweet girl. I wish you all could see Red Sox back by the camera. Oh, she tries to come and take over Honeybee's time. Almost every time. Yeah. Yeah. It's okay. I know. I know. I know you know I've got something in my pocket. Come on. No, it's not your turn. It's not your turn. It's not your turn, Honeybee. It's not her turn. Yeah. No, this is a lot easier when Mike is here, because we can each control one of these horses. You pretty girl, you're such a pretty girl. Yeah. Come on. The camera's over this way. Come here, honeybee. No, you're not honeybee. You're not honeybee.
Well, this is life with horses. Sometimes it doesn't go exactly as planned.
Oh, here she comes. Here she comes. Here she comes. Hey, sweet girl.
Yeah, oh, yeah, you're so nice.
Sweet girl. Honeybee loves to be brushed. She's a good girl. Oh, she loves having her tummy rubbed. Oh, they feel so good. Oh, they feel so good. They feel so good, honeybee. Oh, nobody can see you. Nobody can see you.
You're totally out of the camera's view. Here, let's try it. Let's take two. Take two. All right, let's go get BG. Clearly, there was a little horse sniffing of the phone.
Oh, your neck looks good after putting all that peppermint. Spearmint peppermint? Yes, it is. Good girl. Good girl, baby. Good girl. You look so shiny. Yeah, you look so shiny. Oh, I can feel the squishy under the hay. Lots of water today. Good girl. Good girl, BG. Good girl. Yeah, let's do the other side. Alright.
Good girl. Let's take off your fly mask.
Good girl.
Ooh. Oh, I know that feels so good. I know that feels so good. Yeah. Yeah. I know. I know. I know. You beautiful girl. I know you beautiful girl. Let me get the other cheek. Let me get your other cheek. Good girl. Oh, I know that feels so nice. All right, girl. All right. It's starting to drizzle. Good girl. Starting to drizzle, so I'm taking a shortcut tonight, girls. I'll check your feet in the morning. Good girl. Good girl, BG. Good girl. So it's starting to rain. So I'm gonna go basically close up the barn for the evening. Normally we top off their waters and we just enjoy the sunset. But tonight we've got just cloudy skies. So I'm gonna go and say goodnight. Next week I should finish up the barn and I do plan on making it look a little nicer. So if you all are interested in horses and just farm life in general, see what we're up to, stick around for next week. Thanks for watching.